Ever pondered on the intricate workings of unconventional machines that are transforming our world? Machines that defy the norm, that challenge the status quo, and that push the boundaries of what we thought possible. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of unconventional machinery, exploring the inner workings of three such marvels. Our first stop is the world of biomechanical prosthetics. These are not your everyday artificial limbs. They are complex pieces of machinery that mimic the function of human limbs, providing mobility and functionality to those who need it. The process begins with the design phase, where engineers use computer-aided design software to create a 3D model of the prosthetic. Next, the prosthetic is physically created using materials like titanium and carbon fiber. The prosthetic is then fitted with sensors and motors which respond to electrical signals from the wearer's muscles, allowing it to move in a way that mimics natural movement. Next, we venture into the realm of quantum computers. These machines operate on the principles of quantum mechanics, using qubits instead of the binary bits found in conventional computers. A qubit can exist in multiple states at once, thanks to a phenomenon known as superposition. The process starts with the initialization of qubits into a superposition of states. Then, through a series of quantum gates, these qubits undergo transformations. Finally, a measurement is made, collapsing the qubits into one of the possible states and providing the output. Our final journey takes us to the world of nanorobots. These microscopic machines operate on a scale smaller than a human hair. The working process of nanorobots starts with their design and fabrication, often involving techniques such as self-assembly or using bacteria as tiny factories. These nanorobots are then programmed to perform specific tasks, such as delivering drugs to a targeted area in the body or repairing damaged tissues. In summary, unconventional machines such as biomechanical prosthetics, quantum computers, and nanorobots work in unique ways that defy traditional machinery. Biomechanical prosthetics mimic human movement using sensors and motors. Quantum computers utilize the principles of quantum mechanics to perform complex calculations. Nanorobots, on the other hand, operate on a microscopic scale to perform tasks with precision. The world of unconventional machines is as fascinating as it is diverse. Each machine, with its unique working process, represents a leap in technological advancement, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was possible. And while these machines may seem like the stuff of science fiction, they are very much a part of our reality, transforming our world in ways we are only just beginning to understand.